Hey, how y'all doing? We're on YouTube now. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you my 3 go-to liner licks to not go outside in, to see nobody in, but that's totally okay. Makeup is for you and you only. Anyways, here's the intro. That's look number 1. Posing. That's look number 2. Posing. Running out of poses. Completely out of poses. Okay, cool. So the first look is just your standard wing. As one of my friends would say, run of the mill. It's just your standard issue regulation liner. But before we start, we have to confront the face. Oh yeah, we got some friends over here. All good, we'll address that later. For brows, I use this Got To Be Spiking Glue, a classic. The result is pretty close to soap brows. And also, do not judge me, I'm using the lid of a Too Faced chocolate palette that I use to use as a mirror, and that is what we call ingenuity. Then for foundation, I use Fenty Beauty, Avi. I'm gonna speed through this process because you get it. Okay, this is where all the heavy lifting is happening, concealer. And yeah, this little friend over here is gonna push us up into the full coverage zone. So a little extra on this one and just dab it with a makeup sponge. Then a little powder on the parts where I mostly get oily during the day. I wasn't gonna do a lip, but I remembered this lip tint situation from Etude House. Just put a little bit on the center, blend it out. Highlight using Fenty matchstick on the highest points of my cheeks and the lowest part of my non-existent nose bridge. Finally, we're done the base. This bitch took forever. Onto the liner. I used Taboo Liner by Brian Beauty and Sandy Taboo. They killed it on this. Alright, time to draw the line in. Overall, we want it to be as sharp as possible. As you can see, I prefer a long wing. Like, we want MBA level wingspan. Anything smaller than this is simply off-brand. Just trying to achieve that government mandate, 6 feet. I'm stanced up for the second wing. To get the second eye even is always annoying as hell. Like, look, I'm trying to mind my own business and and there she goes. But it's okay, nothing a little concealer can't fix. Okay, cool. Then to finish it off, lashes, of course. I'm using likely makeup lashes here. These are called Batwing. Also could not find my tweezers at all. And yeah, that's look 1, y'all. Yay! Now that your liner is cutting, you're ready to go sit on the couch and check the fridge multiple times. Okay, second look. We're calling her, I don't know, sparkle star emoji. Wasn't going to do a lip, she said. I'm using Sugarpill liquid lip and Trinket. It's honestly pure sorcery. The gold glitters appear as you wear through it. It's beautiful. And for liner, I use a small brush, like seriously microscopic. I use it with Suva Beauty's hydraliner. If I were to give any advice about liner in general, it would be to try and finish each line all at once and to avoid using like small strokes. The liner can literally smell your hesitation and fear, so you just have to go for it, and you can always fix it if you mess up. And with this look, sometimes I use a liner with a bigger brush to fill it in because it's just faster. And also I'll smudge out the ends to extend them if I need to, and then go over to make sure those points are really sharp. Like, I want this look to say I'm a practitioner of acupuncture. Like, those things need to be pin sharp. Ooh, I was feeling it with that one not filled in. But fill it in though. Okay, bonus tip alert. I usually like to wear this look with freckles. So placing the freckles mostly in the center of the face. This is what we call the cute zone. Also, I like to place them on my nose where I would usually contour, and in the corners of my eyes. I use this MLMA freckle stick. I love it so much. It's fully running out as I go here. And of course, struggle with the lash for a bit to finish off the look, using the same lashes here. Also, don't forget to do this weird lash pat thing that I'm very certain does nothing, but it's tradition at this point. And wow, the star is born. She's brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, completely unique, and giving you rare star fragments. Look number 3, we are calling this one double eyelid, no surgery. I've been watching way too many K-dramas, so the lip tint is back. Same thing here, apply to center, dab it, and top it with a little gloss power up. Okay, time to lay down the first line. Not to be dramatic, but you got to flick the wrist. I don't make the rules, it's just physics and fluid dynamics. For the crease part, I first send out the rescue team to find my crease, and then I place the line slightly above that, so somewhere between the crease and the brow bone. It helps for me personally if I look down. So you can continue to go over this until you get it the thickness that you want. This look is basically the spicy version of the first look.
Careful around your eyes.
And if the line is a little wonky, I would go in with some makeup remover or concealer on a small flat brush to clean up. Now to get the other eye even, let us pray.
We don't want no devils in the house.
6.5 hours later.
Yes, Lord. Wow. Okay, cool. And of course, wrapping this up with some lashes. My hair was annoying the heck out of me here and could not find my tweezers, so again, struggling. And that's it. Now you're ready to be on mute on a Zoom call, eat cereal for dinner. But for real, what I like about this look is that it's super easy to add to it and just upgrade it by drawing in some additional lines to expand it into a 5-star look. But yay, those are my 3 go-to liner looks. I hope everyone's staying safe and this took your mind off things for a little bit. And yeah, thank you for watching.